Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. So friends, in today's lecture we are going to study what is the structural and the functional role of carbohydrates and the classification of the carbohydrates. So before going into the lecture, if you like my videos, so please like, share and comment on it, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the future notifications. So the first point is that the what is the structural and the functional role. So the simple carbohydrates are the main source of energy in the cells. For example, the glucose, because through the process of respiration we produce the energy in the form of ATP by processing the molecules of the glucose. That's why they are the main source of energy. Next, some complex carbohydrates form the major parts of the cell wall in the plants and the other microorganisms. For example, complex carbohydrates, that is the cellulose. So they form the major parts of the cell wall in the plants and in the microorganisms. Next one is the classification of carbohydrates. So there are three main groups of the carbohydrates. First group is the monosaccharides. So the properties of monosaccharides are they are simple sugars with the general formula CH2ON. Okay, they are the simple sugars because they are having the simple structural formula. Okay, that they are sweet in taste. Their taste is very sweet, just like glucose. Okay, they are easily soluble in water and they cannot be further hydrolyzed into simple sugars because they are the very simple sugars. The next point is the chemical nature. Monosaccharides are either polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones, and in this the polyhydroxy mean that they are having the more than two hydroxyl groups, and they are having either aldehydic group or the ketonic group. Okay, the sugar with the aldehydic group is called the aldo sugar, and the sugar with a keto group is called the keto sugar. All carbon atoms in monosaccharides except one are having the OH group, and the remaining one carbon atom is either the part of an aldehydic group or a keto group. It means all the carbon atom are having the OH groups except the one that is a part of a keto group or the aldehydic group. The next point is the classification of the monosaccharides. So the first of all, the natural monosaccharides exist from the carbon number 3 to carbon number 7. So we have classified the monosaccharides on the basis of number of carbon atoms from starting with the carbon number 3 to carbon number 7. The first are the trioses. The trioses are having the carbon number 3, and the examples of trioses are dihydroxyacetone and glyceraldehydes. They are intermediates in the respiration and the photosynthesis. Tetroses are having the carbon number 4. These are very rare in nature and they occur in some bacteria. The pentoses are having the carbon number 5, and these are the most common. The example is a ribose, and we know that the ribose sugar is present in our DNA and the RNA. The hexoses, in the biology, the most common form of the hexose is the glucose, and it is an aldose sugar. So I hope you have understand this lecture. Until then, so please comment, share and like this video. Also subscribe to my channel Study Wali Class, and press the bell icon for the future updates. And so until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.